Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling the balance sheet and supporting ledgers. This saves time and validation. Once done, open the income tax e-filing portal and choose the correct assessment year and company profile. Make sure your registration number matches the tax record. Mismatches cause rejections. Export or format the balance sheet to the portal's required Excel or CSV template so columns align with headings. Doing this early prevents format errors and speeds the upload step. Now you map each balance sheet column to the portal fields. This step ensures numbers land in assets, liabilities, equity, and notes sections correctly. Use the portal's validation tool to detect date, number, or format errors, then correct the source file and revalidate. When import succeeds, review the preview screen line by line to confirm totals and groupings. Make sure to save the mapped file and capture any system-generated transaction ID for audit trails. Finish by reviewing auto-calculated totals and reconciling them with your original balance sheet. This prevents downstream notices. Then submit the upload and download the acknowledgement, record the reference number, and archive a signed PDF for your records. If the system rejects the file, check common issues: header mismatches, comma versus dot decimal separators, currency codes, or missing VAT/GST classifications. Reapply corrections and re-upload. If
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.